Hi, welcome back. So in this video we're going to get serious with the MSTW Bracket Builder, the premium version, and talk about the features that really make it pop and make it real easy for you to administer on the back end. So what I've done from the last video is I've gone and I've cleaned out the text that we had entered there, and I added some new text for the initial games as winners of various groups and second places in various groups. Put some locations there. The home team is now the high seed, and I'm going to show you how that works. So when you look at it on the front end, that's the way you might start with a tournament. You might know what time the games are and where the games are, but if the group play is not over, maybe you don't know who is going to be playing, so it just shows that in the first round. So let's go back to this tournament, and now we'll go ahead and do some things with it. So I'm going to pick I'm going to set up seeds for this tournament, and I'm going to do that from a league. This is the only real hook to the league manager that we have, and the reason you might want to choose a league here to select games from is because this list of teams for your entire site could become rather large, and so it just can make things a little bit neater if you pick a league, and then the set of teams to choose from becomes much more manageable. So I'll just go ahead and put some teams in here. And these, if you're manually scheduling, you put these in the order that the teams are going to play, and that the directions described how this works. The 1 plays 2, 3 plays 4, etc. in the games. And that's for manual scheduling. So let's go ahead and update this. When you go in and look at the tournament, and we'll go in and update the games now have the teams in there: 1 versus 2, 3 versus 4. If I go back and I change this to by seed, instead of 1 versus 2, it'll have 1 versus 8, 2 versus 7. I'll show you how it works. I'm going to make this a bye. So it's only a 7-team tournament. And in the first round, the number 1 seed is going to have a bye. 2 will play 7. 3 will play 6, etc. if I'm scheduling by seed. So let me update that. And let's go look at the games now. So now we have Belgium with a bye. And we got 2 playing 7 down here. 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's update that, and then we can look on it on the front end. And there we go. And because we've chosen teams from the database, we're going to get a lot more features on the front end. The first being the logos, the team logos, in this case the country flags to pull from. But there's many, many other features which we'll talk about in upcoming videos. So there we go. So now the reason this becomes easy is now when we've decided to have, well, you can see, by the way, that Belgium was already advanced to the second round because they had a bye in the first round. So we go look at their game. It's always showing it as final. There's no score to enter. So let's just go ahead and enter the other ones. Maybe we have 1-0 and it's final. And we have 3-1 and that's final. And maybe this one went to PKs. And they had 4 in the PKs, and we'll mark that as final. Let's go down here and update this. And now what happens is you can see the winners automatically advance. There's no work to be done here. just by putting in the final scores and by marking the games as finals, the winners advance. And there we go. And let's just finish it out. We got 1-0 and another 1-0. Final games. So there you go. And it automatically displays the winning team in bold. There's other options, and another video, in a future video, we'll look at some of the options to change the displays and so forth. We'll also talk about how to show the home team in various ways. But that's it for now. And you can find the Bracket Builder on the Shoal Summit Solutions, shoalsummitsolutions.com. And on there, if you go to the store, Bracket Builder's right there. And you can take a look at it. Hopefully pick one up. It'll really help you with your tournament brackets. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me through this website, through the contact tab, or you can send me an email at the address there, mark@shoalsummitsolutions.com. That's all for now. Talk to you soon.